The secret. Secret. Segreto.
Got it. Even pressure. Yes, even pressure, so it's smooth.
Perfect.
I don't drink wine, no beer, nothing. But the coffee, I make it.
Grind it at home and make like this?
Yes. I prefer better.
Did you realize that we are live? Say hello! Ciao! Guess what we are making and with these beautiful people?
Dan is running away. I don't know why. Dan, where are you going?
I have to trade my coffee in for my wine.
Dan, you're the best.
Look at this beautiful countryside. Beautiful people. We're having a great time.
I have to sit here so I'm taller.
Yeah, that's perfect. We had a beautiful lunch today. Beautiful people. Great weather. It's not so hot today. And we got a beautiful little puppy right here.
What do we have for lunch?
We had a pasta with anchovies. We had caponata that Maria made. Everybody.
There is also Maria with us. Maria, say hello to our friends.
Hello, everybody.
So Maria is a guest star. Actually, we are not in Maria country house today.
Yes.
We are in Valeria's Giuseppe country house. In the area of Termini Imerese. So we are surrounded by a beautiful, beautiful nature. Let me display a little bit. So in front of us we have Termini Imerese, and very, very far in the distance you can see Capo Zafferano, and behind you can see Palermo, but it's a little bit foggy and you don't see nothing at all. And that's the Tyrrhenian Sea. So our friends, our beautiful friends from California, had a very, very interesting cooking class. Misty, what did you prepare so far?
We made our own pasta.
We made these by hand. He's got away. It was under the table. I don't know. It was on John's side. I'm not pointing any fingers. Well, these are what we had for lunch, and it was wonderful, all handmade.
But you are scaring our friends. Please, don't make a bad advertising for us.
And I'm so full.
No, actually we had pasta with sardines, fresh pasta with sardines.
So good.
At the Palermitan style, Palermitan way. And you made the fresh pasta.
We made the fresh pasta
with the help of Giuseppe and Valeria.
I'm very proud.
Aspetta che ti intervisto. Ti chiedo un microfono.
Il microfono sembra non so che. Buongiorno.
È sempre buono, non ti preoccupare. Non te lamentare.
Oggi siamo qui con questa fantastica compagnia e stiamo facendo una delle nostre cooking class in collaborazione con i favolosi Rosella e Gianca, e quindi siamo felici di fare questa cooking class per i nostri amici americani. Quindi viva la Sicilia! Viva la Sicilia, dai!
Dillo in inglese che aspetti a tutti qui in Sicilia.
Vi aspetto tutti in Sicilia.
I
wait for you in the Sicily.
He speaks in English.
We're waiting for you in Sicily.
He's only shy. So please give this guy
Our home.
courage to go ahead and speak in English.
Thank you so much. Valeria and Giuseppe waiting for you here in Sicily to enjoy a cooking class all together, then have a lunch like a family, no? Traditional Sicilian style.
We are having so much fun. This is our new family. We're going to move in.
They don't know it yet. You're not supposed to say anything.
Our suitcases are in the car.
Keep the secret.
That cat's out of the bag.
Keep the secret.
You are a bad guy.
And we have a little fun at the same time.
So we had the pasta with sardines. Maria made several starters for us. Also Giuseppe and Valeria made other starters. We had the main course with the fresh pasta with sardines. I have to congratulate with Giuseppe because it was the best pasta with sardine that I have in my life. I'm not joking.
Bravo,
Giuseppe was very, very good. I asked him to save a kilo of pasta for me for the next days. And now, guess what our friends are making. So, the contest is open.
Tagliamo i cannoli, dai.
Try. No, non lo dire. Don't say. Vabbè, no.
Do, but don't say.
Don't say what we are doing. Ma già hanno capito, i nostri amici sono smart. Our followers are very smart. They already know what we are doing. Oh, I can reveal it. We are making the traditional Sicilian cannoli.
Haha.
Oh, that's the roller too.
That's baked. There we go.
Oh, that's how you seam it.
Your turn is coming, so
Piece of cake. I'm hip to him now.
Famous last name.
No. Very nice. Perfect.
so the egg is just a glue.
E glue, yeah.
Perfect.
Fa le glue e gli permette di non aprirsi durante la frittura, insomma.
So the
very
egg
important.
avoid to open the cannolo shell during the cooking, the frying
The
process.
frying process.
Okay, it's your turn now, no?
Yes.
So do the same.
No.
We can start with Misty. Misty is a good cooker.
Press. Okay,
Get it.
perfect.
All right.
Press and move. Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Brava.
Nice work. Can you do mine for me? Oh, she's got to see.
Ok.
She's used to doing this though.
Yeah, she's a
Pressure,
damn good
the
baker.
pressure.
Beautiful.
And voila.
Beautiful.
Well done.
Ok. Ok. Pull this. Okay. Put in the center. Pull this part. Okay.
Stretch a little.
Okay.
She's made a few, I think.
Perfect.
Brava.
Okay, Janine, get in.
No, go ahead, Danny.
You're next.
Next.
Come on then.
What? No eyes. No,
One hand for turn.
hold it.
Okay.
Move it around. Yep, you got it. Okay.
Shake it.
Too much shake.
It's okay.
That's all right.
It's okay.
You are very strong, man.
A true Sicilian man, that's why.
Yes.
Oh, John Mercurio is watching. Say hello to John.
John.
John
We are in
Mercurio.
Termini Imerese, your hometown.
Oh, let me say hello to all friends who are watching from the beginning. Ciao Jackie, ciao Linda
One part
from Florida. Ciao Cita and Matteo.
with eggs.
Ciao Michela Morrison.
Never the eggs in the.
Ciao Michelle.
Okay.
On the metal, never.
So we have a
Never.
lot of people.
Yeah, never. Because when
Ciao,
we fry,
Paola.
it's glue.
Yeah.
Send the glue. Okay.
I don't see your comments. I need glasses.
I need that back.
Wow.
Good one, Travis.
Cannoli factory.
Ti servono gli occhiali, vai avanti tu.
Better than the pasta.
Tieni un attimo che
That was
prendo
a
gli
little- we had a
occhiali.
tough time with the pasta.
We weren't as good as students.
No.
This is a very talented team.
We have a good teacher.
Chef, ho alzato la fiamma.
Look again this beautiful landscape and seascape. We are surrounded by a beautiful, beautiful landscape with olive trees. Oh, we had a lot of excellent wine. I don't want to make advertising, but this wine deserves our advertising. Musita. We have the Grillo wine, a white wine, and the Merlot, the red one. So, let me...
Spread it before you do it, yeah.
Yeah, spread it.
Let's see Travis also. He's a good boy.
Everybody is good. Che è successo?
No,
È
niente.
staccata la cosa qua. Hai caricato il coso, vero?
Certo.
Non funziona. Guarda, si stacca.
Perfetto, Travis.
Perfetto.
Sì, sì. Quando si è assieme a fare queste cose belle, però per 9 persone che fai.
Rosella, say something. In the meantime, they
so
make the
proud.
shells.
I'm so proud of them.
They are so good.
They are proud Sicilians. That's why they are so good, chef.
That is the Sicilian DNA. Oh, everybody wants a cannolo. Everybody writes,
We can ship
I need a
them."
cannolo, I want a cannolo.
We can ship to them. It's time to fry them.
Yes.
Oh, now.
Prendimi il vassoio. Take me the vassoio, please.
Very good.
Just add please, it's enough, okay?
Già un passo avanti, molto avanti.
So we have people from Massachusetts, we have people
Portiamo l'altro lato.
from California, Sheila, ciao Sheila, ciao Fred, Gloria Rocco, Gina, Teresa,
No.
Come
and sorry I can go ahead with the comments. Okay, so,
on, guys,
so
it's time
this
to
is
fry.
the
It's time to fry.
Questi di chi sono?
Come on, come on.
Are you ready?
Keep me away from the
Wow. Aspetta, mi metto qua.
So they can hear the oil.
Can you hear the music? Can you hear the sound of cannoli? I have to use the microphone. Can you hear the sound?
This is open.
Uh-oh, what happened to that
No problem.
one?
No problem. Si vede incollato male. Vale, qualcosa per scolare.
Uomo di poca fede.
She's already ready.
I'm ready. I was born ready.
That was Sicilian women.
It's empty.
Wow, that's Sad.
Ciao Gina Velasquez.
That one was ready to
You
escape.
can always crisp it and put it on, you know.
Ciao Teresa Russo. Ciao Susan Lemos.
Doesn't have to be pretty to taste good, right? But it does help.
Wow, this is so big.
No, si è aperto questo.
It's a broken cannolo.
Oh, we can make the crushed cannoli.
That one has a
Il
big
cannolo
bubble.
scomposto
A big
possiamo
bubble,
fare.
yeah. Yes, Giuseppe, we also have the another recipe that is named cannolo broken, cannolo scomposto.
Fresh,
Broken cannolo, broken cannolo.
Broken cannolo, yeah. It's another recipe. Yeah, Susan says the open one gets more filling. You're right, Susan. And perhaps this is for me. I need to grow up. I still need to grow up, so I need more filling.
Quando diventano questi perché Giuseppe?
Come così?
Rosella.
Quelle che...
Perché è stato chiuso troppo stretto al centro. E quindi non ha sfogo la bolla e quindi sfoga nell'esterno. Perché non può sfogare altro.
Perché la pasta era stata troppo tempo.
No. Gente, è perché sarà stretto al centro e quindi non può sfogare al centro perché è troppo stretto e quindi sfoga, fa le bolle uniche nell'esterno.
Giuseppe, would you like to share a secret to make cannoli? Just one.
Giù.
He doesn't want to share with you any secrets.
You have to come to
Any
Sicily
Yeah.
to learn
Yeah.
to learn these secrets.
Look, this is perfect.
That was mine.
I think that's mine.
Show.
Everyone says mine, it's mine.
Fammene vedere uno perfetto che lo facciamo vedere alla videocamera qua. Oh,
Aspetta che lo giro.
this is the perfect one.
Who made it?
Probably me.
Of course, Misty. You are the queen of cannolo.
important.
Now
No,
you
I
are
think
the queen
Misty,
of
Misty
cannolo.
or Janine. Men talked about car races all the time, so they didn't learn anything. The only people who was interested in cannoli were Misty and Janine. We are in the area of Targa Florio, guys. Termini Imerese and Madonie is the area where we used to enjoy the oldest car race in the world, not in Sicily. I mean Targa Florio, and this is the area where you can find the ancient tracks. And we've been talking about Targa Florio with men because men love muscle cars, Pontiac, Mustangs. In the meantime, girls were studying how to make cannoli.
But also, guys, please, Gianca.
I'm joking. You're too serious.
Also, Travis is a good cook.
Travis is a good
Thanks
boy.
to her mother, his mother. Yeah.
Travis is a good boy.
And now it's time to fill in the cannoli. Oh, wow. Let's change because our female lady group want to see you also, Gianca.
Allora I need to be with my friends. Then, John, come with me. Because I have a female audience, you know. So I have to be surrounded by men. True men.
We need Giuseppe.
Also Giuseppe, later. Where is Travis? Travis, come with me. Men are here in Sicily. I'm surrounded by true men. Come on, Travis. Would you like to say something to our female followers?
My number is 408.
We are on sale, guys. Travis, are you how do you say, impatient to have your first traditional cannoli?
I've been eating them every day, so
But
I'm
this
ready
is
to go.
But this is the
homemade.
best.
Homemade.
This is the best.
Yeah.
This is the best.
This one we made. This
Yeah.
one we made.
We had cannoli in the heart of Palermo, in a monastery, in the church of Santa Caterina. They were very
good.
They are so good
But
if you
these
come
are
to
made
Palermo.
with love.
But I have no doubt.
These are made with love.
They are handmade with love by Giuseppe, and so we can't wait to enjoy. Oh, look at that, beautiful,
it's beautiful.
So beautiful.
I'm ready to eat them. Let's go.
So we are enjoying a beautiful day here in Termini Imerese, in the area, in the countryside of Termini Imerese. Finally, the temperature, the climate is good.
It's good.
Not
Beautiful.
too humidity.
Not too humid today. No, nice.
It was very
nice.
hot in the last days. Very wet.
Treville
Humidity was very high.
warm.
Now we can breathe again. And this is the last day in West Sicily. So you've been spending a couple of days, 3 days in the area of Cefalù. Yesterday they went to Madonia area, Castelbuono and Gangi. And tomorrow we go to the south.
Agrigento.
First we go to Agrigento to see the Valley of the Temple, a UNESCO site, and then we go to the southeast of Sicily, Ragusa. We will spend 2 nights there, and then to Syracuse. So say our friends that they will see the best of Sicily also in the next days.
Couple days, yeah.
Yeah, and till the end of the week. We go to Taormina. That's the ultimate point, the last step of the tour. So be ready to enjoy the rest of Sicily, because we had the pandemic, we had the restrictions, we had our online store, so we've been so busy. We didn't go in the other side of Sicily for a long time. So that's our chance to show the rest of the island. Turn around. Let's see what Giuseppe is doing.
This is a secret.
Aspetta.
This quiet conversation.
Secret recipe talk right now. Not for you guys.
Not for you.
Only us.
They have to come to Sicily.
That's right. It's
If
top
you want to
secret.
know the secret, you have to come here. Giuseppe is a uomo di panza, uomo di sostanza, non dice niente.
Tell him we did a good job because we have bubbles, right?
Guarda che bel
No,
cannolo.
don't talk about the
this.
bubbles.
Guarda che bel cannolo. No bubbles, no good cannolo.
Yeah.
We did good.
One of the secret is bubbles, but we never reveal how to make bubbles. Siamo pronti per farcire?
Sì, adesso facciamo un pochettino. Allora, io preferisco, I prefer fill cannoli with ricotta, only ricotta and sugar. And second time add we taste, quindi il gusto, il pistacchio, the pistache or the chocolate or ciliegia, cherry.
So you said first you want to taste the simple seasoning, the simple filling, without any pistachio, any chocolate, any cherry.
Yeah.
If you agree, if it's good, you fill it with the other ingredients.
I know.
Aspettate, scusatemi.
Prego.
Così ti registro.
Chiediamo un elastico che Valeria mi ha procurato ovviamente prima, ovvio. Mica, figurati. Poi abbiamo preso il paio di forbici più taglienti che abbiamo in assoluto, che scegliamo sempre quelle più taglienti per evitare eventuali problemi.
Direi che ringraziamo Clelia per le forbici. Qui c'è l'elastico.
E poi riempiamo i nostri cannoli, guarda.
Wow!
E poi dipende al gusto, decidiamo se mettere o il pistacchio per esempio o okay.
Ma tu avevi detto che lo dovevi assaggiare prima.
No, assaggiano le donne qua.
Senza
Sono le donne.
Beautiful. Grazie. Oh yeah. No, I'm not going to eat this.
Aspetta lei ora.
We are waiting for your feedback. Ok, it's good. Ah, qua, vieni qua, fai un bel primo piano a questo signore che riempie i cannoli.
We're all done with this, aren't we?
This
Janine.
for you, Janine.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Smile.
Have to eat it in front of you?
Just a nibble.
Come on. Thank you. Don't spill it.
Misty, you want powdered sugar on that little sprinkle?
It's very good.
Good?
Ciao, sai che ci vai buono i cannoli?
Sono un maestro dei cannoli.
Is it your job, Giuseppe?
So you are a professional chef? Really?
Yes.
Oh, really? He's a professional chef. I didn't know. I thought he was joking.
No,
Maria!
no for me.
Allora, no.
No?
Prima le donne.
Prima le donne.
Prima le donne.
Io sono
Rosella.
Rosella, dai. I change.
Poi Valeria.
Ok.
They are speechless.
The shell is really good.
They are
Good?
speechless.
Good?
Good job.
Yeah. Like hard butter.
Sono stati bravissimi comunque.
See, it's very good.
This is better
Thank you,
than
chef.
the nuns.
You're welcome.
Chef, a
Chef.
little bit ricotta here.
Buono.
Che cos'è questo? È una nuova invenzione?
Ricotta bread. Ricotta bread.
Ricotta bread.
Ricotta bread. Sono un'altra cosa, sono belle croccanti.
Guys, and you can't even imagine how the day will end.
Yeah.
This is nothing because now we are going to Kakamo. What's Kakamo most important thing to visit?
Maybe the sausage?
Rosella. Kakamo, of course, is famous for the sausage because of the sausage,
But also for the castle, the big castle that we have in Sicily.
so we will have a very fast stop
Yeah.
in
To
front
take a
of the
picture?
castle to take
Yeah.
a picture, and then
We will make the sausage all together.
so we are going to enter to a butcher shop,
Yeah.
and we will make all together the fresh sausage from Kakamo.
Yeah.
That's very popular here in Sicily. One of the best in Sicily.
Yeah.
And,
That's why we decided to go to Kakamo.
Yeah, and
also.
we will enjoy the sausage right in the butchery.
Yes.
do you say butchery, guys? Because butcher is the man who work the meat.
Butcher shop.
Butcher shop.
Butcher shop.
Thank Travis. Thank you.
And now it's time to enjoy, of course, our cannoli. And so maybe we can say all together.
I think it's time to say bye-bye because I can't wait to eat my cannoli.
Of course. So switch with like selfie.
Hey, that's the one right there.
Guys, it's time to say bye-bye.
Allora, che mi metto bene. Ho il braccio storto, ok?
E chi manca?
So it's time to say all together. Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily!